Hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day with me, Yon Fire. Someone who has a certain obsession about storytelling. I'm a storyteller. Today I will be a storyteller that will tell you about my daily activity. I have a certain amount of activity out there outside. Yeah, let's say I hang out with my friend. Let's say I having a certain discussion with the client at my workplace. Let's say I go to the grocery store to buy banana, tempeh, orange, and another stuff. So actually, I will be a storyteller in this episode. Okay, so let's dive to the story. I will be start when I woke up from my bed. So I woke up at 5 a.m. at the morning, and then I stormed off. No, before after I woke up, I took a couple of minutes, take a peace time, take a Bible time for a couple of minutes, pray to the God. And I actually continue storm off of my room. I walk out for my room next to shower, and then I try to I wash my face. I wash my face to keep my face energetic. And after that, I after that something was written by me at night about the plan for that day. You know, guys, what's the note? What's the text that I had written in the note? Go to the grocery store. Go to the grocery store. Yeah. So I went to grocery store. I went to the grocery store. Yeah. And as you can see the scene, I also took some scene while I walking up to the grocery store. But actually, no need to worry about it because the grocery store is quite close to my place. So it takes 5 minutes of walking. And after that, I also took a scene of the grocery store looks. As you can see here, that I took a scene, the building, the surrounding of the grocery store. Yeah. And it seemed the grocery stores was made a long time ago, so this building this thing looks so old. And you know, guys, and after that I continue my plan or grocery time to buy uh, uh, egg. So this is the first place. This was the first place I came. I came up, and then I was asking to the shopkeeper about the price of the eggs, and when I asked the shopkeeper, I got the price. I knew the price, so the price is 27,000 rupiah. And then in a nutshell, no need time, I immediately asked the shopkeepers to make me 1 kilogram eggs. As you can see the scenes, and also I was taking scene of the grocery of their egg shop, and also and fortunately the man or the shopkeeper was calm while I took the scene of his shop. And you know, guys,
I give money like 100,000 rupiah, and I
move on.
the man pay back
After a couple of
back
minutes
about
in
73 rupiah.
egg. And then I move on to banana or fruit time. I love banana. I really love banana, and I actually have an obsession about banana. Banana is a delicious food. That's my favorite one. And then I was asking the shopkeeper about banana about the banana that the taste more delicious more than another one. And then like I got the new one. I got delicious by the shopkeeper, and then the man say, take this one. Okay, that's fine. Immediately, okay, that's fine. Thank you so much for helping me. And then I also I pay the entire banana. So the price about 15,000 rupiah. Wow, so very affordable. I think that's my opinion. I don't have an idea with you guys over there. If you had experience while you was buying something in the grocery store, and could you just tell me the price of the banana while you was in the grocery store? Okay. And after that, guys, I move on to tempe. Wow, this is actually not pretty. A lot of people love it. A lot of people love tempe. Tempe actually, that's my favorite food. Honestly, full of protein, and also with a certain protein in it, and also affordable. It's quite cheap, guys. I have 2 pieces of tempe, so the price about 16,000 rupiah. 2 pieces of tempe. I I would spend that tempeh, 2 piece of tempeh, about uh 3 days. Wow, guys, affordable and also delicious, guys, and also with a certain protein. Yeah, that's the way I make my day in the morning, and I am really happy to share about my activity with storytelling, guys, because storytelling is sharing, is how to make someone understand imaginable the idea or the story that I've been saying to you. And I think that's all, guys, for today. Thank you. Thank you.